For me, vegan food is always just so much fun. I love taking classic recipes and giving them that vegan twist or a spin. Today, I have a surefire back pocket recipe that you and your family are going to absolutely love. And everything we do, you know it's gotta be simple, delicious, easy, and just good food. So let's get started. All right, first things first, look, I have some canola oil that's getting nice and hot and ready for us to go. I'm gonna grab some all-purpose flour and sprinkle the flour in the oil to start our roux. All right, I'm just gonna continue to stir the roux just until it turns a lovely chocolate brown color. Roux is looking really good, so let's start adding in some vegetables. So I've got some diced bell pepper that's gonna go right in here. I've got some celery. Then I've got some onion. Right, I'm just gonna cook this just for a little bit, just until those vegetables are nice and translucent. All right, this is starting to smell really, really good. The vegetables are starting to break down. So this is a good time to add in a few more things. I've got frozen collard greens, right? So I'm just gonna take them, squeeze out some of the liquid, and then drop them right in. All right, I'm gonna stir to make sure everything is combined, and it is. All right, I've got some garlic, so I'm gonna throw garlic in here as well. All right, now let's get our vegetable stock in here. So I've got a couple of boxes of stock. All right, let's season this bad boy up, because at this point, all we've done is just really sort of infuse great flavor into the vegetables and the roux, so here we go. All right, so your favorite combo of Cajun seasoning right in here. All right, I'm gonna use two. So this is one that has a lot of salt content in it, and then this is one with no salt content. All right, I've got some dried Italian seasoning, that's gonna go right in there. All right, let's do a little bit of ground fennel. I love what the fennel is gonna do for the gumbo. So a little bit of dried fennel is in there. I've got some dried oregano, that's gonna go in here as well. All right, a few more ingredients. I've got some gumbo filet, super important. That's gonna go right in there. All right, some garlic powder, granulated, a little heat. Red pepper flakes are gonna go in. And last but not least, some Worcestershire sauce right in here. All right, and we'll give the whole thing a big stir. There we go. Gumbo smells amazing. Pot of rice is done. Last thing I wanna do is I just wanna chop up some green onion, because I feel like that's gonna be what we need to go right on top and finish up our gumbo. All right, I'm gonna grab the gumbo, which is boiling away profusely. It smells amazing. Look at that. Nice and thick, ready to go. We've got some white rice that we're just gonna put right on top. So let's plate this up. Let me show you how this goes. You do gumbo, just like that. Then we do rice right on top. All right, and then I'll just simply garnish by adding a few of the scallions right on top, just like that. All right, there you go. A masterpiece waiting to happen. Now, if you want this recipe, you know where to find it. It's gonna be on my website. It's dariuscooks.tv. There's two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food, y'all. Until next time, I wanna wish you happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.